Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll review this full body TPU silicone screen protective case for the Huawei Watch Fit. So let's get started. If it's your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing as I do regular videos for various smartwatches like this one, smartphone reviews, tech tutorials and much more. You'll find a dedicated playlist for Huawei smartwatch videos under the playlist tab. Be sure to check it out. And if you want, you can support my channel by becoming a member at a small monthly charge with all the perks that I'll offer. Click this join button to check out more perks of becoming a member. Also check out some cool merch under the store tab and check out as well as subscribe to my second YouTube channel for mobile friendly short video content. I recently reviewed the Huawei Watch Fit and also compared it against other Huawei smartwatches like the Huawei Watch GT2, GT2e and GT2 Pro, and the videos are linked up in the card section and at the end of this video, which you must check it out. Anyways, as you can see, this Huawei Watch Fit has a nice and a crisp AMOLED display which is protected by this glass which is slightly curved. But one major problem is that this glass is very easy to get scratched and scuffed with daily usage. So in this video, I'll review this full body screen protective case which I got it from Amazon for just $9 Canadian, which is relatively very cheap. I have provided the direct link to purchase this case in the video description. Be sure to check it out. Now this case is available in multiple colors as shown in this image, including the transparent clear case. You can find pretty much any color to suit your styling needs. I just ended up getting a black case. You can also get a diamond frame bumper case with bling crystals which will give your Huawei Watch Fit more lavish and luxurious look as shown in this image. I have linked all such cases in the video description for you to check it out. You can also get a tempered glass screen protector as shown in this image, but the problem with them is that they don't tend to protect the body. Now since this watch does not have a metal body, it's easy to get it scratched and scuffed even with a minor fall, and hence I would prefer such a full body screen protective case versus the tempered glass screen protector. Keep in mind, if you already have a glass screen protector, you will need to remove it in order for you to apply this full body screen protective case, as these cases are precisely cut for this Huawei Watch Fit. Now that you know about the price and styling option, let's talk about the ease of application and test this case out. This case is very well built. There is a precise cutout for the wristband. The left hand side button is nice and embossed. There is a cutout for the microphone, and it seems like the case will wrap around the body of the watch firmly. The screen protector and the case matches that slight curve that the whole watch has. Now let's go ahead and put this case on. A pro tip here is that to start from the button side first. Now use your two fingers or index fingers to pull the tab up towards you so that the case can easily slide on. Taking the case off is a piece of cake. Just pull the case out from the back of either of the sides. Now let's put this case on and off a few times for you to have a better idea of the application process. I have reviewed a lot of full body screen protective case for a ton of smartwatches on this channel, and this case is by far the easiest one to apply. The hardest one was for the Fossil Gen 5 due to the rotating crown, for which I have done a video and it's linked up in the card section. You can check it out in case if you are curious about the application process. Now let's do a few tests, starting with the touchscreen and the button responsiveness. So as you can see, both the button and the touchscreen works great. However, I do find that the button is a little bit hard to push, but honestly it does not affect the functionality at all. In terms of the touchscreen responsiveness, I think if you have a plastic screen protector or the included screen protector on along with this case, then the touch sensitivity may reduce, but that is totally not the case over here. Turning around at the back, you can see that the case is tightly wrapped around the body of the watch, leaving no room for accidental pop-off. You can see there is enough room to take off the wristband. Speaking of wristband, Huawei Watch Fit has the hardest wristband replacement mechanism. I tend to use a flathead screwdriver instead of using my nails to pop the locking pin out, which holds the wristband securely. In case if you were to lose the locking pin, I have linked some cheap and fancy wristband in the video description, as if you lose the locking pin, you cannot wear the Huawei Watch Fit on your wrist. Either way, as you saw, even with this case on, I can easily replace the wristband without the need of removing the screen protective case. Now, since the heart rate and the SpO2 sensor are slightly raised, you can see they are actually higher off than the edge of the case. So from my testing with different workouts, this case does not affect the readings at all. And speaking of workout, during my tests, the sweat during a workout did not seep through the walls to the screen. But if you were to take it for a swim or during a hand wash, chances are the water will seep through the case to the display and may affect the touchscreen responsiveness. But all you gotta do is remove the case, wipe the display and this full body case. That's it, you're all set to slap the case on. Now let's talk about the charger. Yes, despite of this case being on, you can easily attach the proprietary pogo pin charger without the need of taking this case off. And you can see that the edge of the case is by no means in the way of charging cable. So let's put this Huawei Watch Fit on my wrist to see how it looks. This case by no means adds any bulk to the watch. It barely makes any difference, and since I have a black color, it's pretty much camouflage. It's hard to discern that the case is on this watch when it's on my wrist. In terms of protection, as I said earlier, I would rather prefer such case over a screen protector. As you can see with the display, even the body is protected. So if the watch were to fall or sustain a bump or a side impact from a table or literally anything, nothing will happen to the watch or the screen. So overall, this case is awesome. I don't have any complaints about this except one thing, and that is this case is a fingerprint magnet, especially on the sides. I do tend to clean and wipe the case once every few days, which you should be doing not just for the watch but for any smartphone or tablet, as there are a lot of bacteria sitting on the touch surfaces. Spoiler alert, I'm working with a brand to review their handheld UVC disinfectant to disinfect your tech gadgets. Stay tuned by subscribing as I review a lot of cool tech on this channel which I don't want you to miss out on. With that said, I can easily recommend this full body screen protective case to anyone who has Huawei Watch Fit. It's cheap, doesn't break the bank, it's very durable, protects the display and the body of the watch, it's very easy to apply on and off, and does not interfere with charging or wristband replacement. The button responsiveness and the touchscreen receptiveness is also great. What else do you need? Just go ahead and get one for yourself. So that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot. Also follow me on my other social media networks for early preview to upcoming videos and free giveaways. Links are in the description of all my videos. Thanks so much for watching and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.